ajama ne taram kum la kar miten ani ne taram na kum fi gaba lamma inte gitu into le gitu ni no bubat fi gaba wani to le gitu ni na gadi mushaka lakin we make the bayma rajana wara kalena lakum yani tamshu haya koman. Is it because you fought better than us, or you are brave better than us, or you know to talk katir lo kalam bata shadan ma bitol ma gara bisudan ay zol mashi bara gara ma janga ko kwasa ma jaga to ma jaga jorot. This is a doctor, this is SPL doctor, this is a doctor my balbalunas be kalam bata shadan munu ma indu shada تجد كودا نينا يعني ده مرة ده رجل بقول يعني كلنا بشيل أكلني بعدين بجيب لكم يجي لنا لارم متى عندنا يال زيكم يا جماعة لو مشيتوا في قلوبنا هذا ولا يجوا مبروم براي ناقة تمامنهم السنة ده we are not going to give you the rest. We will not give you the single rest Senator. We must talk to you the way yani we know. You are my colleague. All of you are my colleague. What make you important yani, than us? You throw us away, bring your children, put them into the nada. What is this? Well, you are to yan kachina yan shun kuch fi group na yan. Kuch fi group na nina. Lo ito mabalgo yani piaja patal nak. So ana dar gulekum shul kalam de sab. Itu nas kanisa ana dar worikum. Gebel nas kanisa. Wait. Not kanisa ana dara warikum not the Karab Junuba Sudan da itakum not the Karab Junuba Sudan. The preaching of tribalism is in the churches. You are the one who destroys Southern Sudan in the uniform and to be Abuna and Kola Pira Kabutak. I'm not Bankwal Manyang Wani when I could call urgently the SPLM meeting. We have to talk.